Hey everyone, it's Adam here. So sorry. Sounds so good. Yeah, so I'm probably clipping the. There we go. Probably clipping your microphones a little bit. It hit. So our lake is frozen early this year because it's been so darn cold. But it actually hit like 45 degrees on Saturday. So on Sunday, when it was like 35, I went out for a ride because we had so much rain. All the salt's going on the road. So welcome to the end of year review. I'm going to try to do this in 7 minutes. I do one every year for the past 4 years, and this is just my way of sort of giving you guys a channel update of what's going on. So let's start off with just like YouTube. So it was a great year. I really, more viewers means more trolls and more assholes, and luckily the nice people are still outweighing the mean people. So I'm really happy that you guys are all still supporting me, and the 4 or 5 of you that are really assholes. I don't know. It hurts. So can you go away or something? So last year we did January 1st, 2017 to December 31st, 2017. There was 2.8 million minutes of watch time on this channel. This year, it's 6.1 million. So almost doubling our minutes watched year over year. Average view duration was up. So usually I saw 2.5 minutes of view time. This year it's 3 minutes. And then raw views were 1.09 million, and this year 2.05 million. So solid increase of watch time, views, and average duration. 2017 revenue, $1,700, which was enough to pay for a couple of cameras and some SD cards. This year revenue was $3,800.05, and all of that was put into a new MacBook Pro. So thank you guys. And that's pre-tax income, of course, so it's more like $2,800 or something like that. Okay, so to go through these quickly. So likes versus dislikes last year, 3,600 likes, 1,000 dislikes. This year, 9,000 likes, 2,600 dislikes. So they both grew, but they didn't grow relative to each other. The dislikes were lower than the likes. Comments last year over 1,000. This year, 2,600. And subscribers, we gained 1,000 subscribers in 2017. In 2018, we had 3,055 subscribers for a grand total of 5,140. I've been sorry. I've been so excited to talk to you guys about the fact that we passed 5,000 subscribers a few weeks ago, and it's still going. So we're averaging 156 new subs a month. And again, I don't ask for subscribers. I don't tell you guys to, quote, smash that like button. I don't do any of that bullshit. That's all bullshit, and I'll never do that. So the fact that I'm growing organically from people that actually want to subscribe to this channel, that's pretty cool. 150 of you a month are thinking that's worth it. So biggest video of the year was the crash with 180,000 views. It made me $240 in revenue. My HomeKit tour video still going strong with 100,000 views and $469 in revenue. You can see how those are different because some videos monetize better than others. So if you talk about digital technology, like the new iPhone, you'll get way more ad revenue than talking about motorcycles. So motorcycles are a really low-paying topic on YouTube. So mostly because most of the motorcycle videos are reviews to a very small market segment. So here's the new BMW, and there's only 100,000 people that are interested in it. But then there's also the issue of motorcyclists just being assholes and smashing mirrors and crash videos, and it's just really toxic. So a lot of advertisers don't sponsor motorcycle videos. So you'll see that even though the GS crash had twice the amount of views, it only had half the revenue. So and everything else in here is pretty normal. So US is still 35% of my viewership, followed by UK, Canada, Germany, and Australia. 93% of you are male. Last year, that figure was 96%. All right, we're having more equality. Okay, I'm running out of time here. So half of you found my videos through suggested sources. 16% found my videos through browsing YouTube, and then 15% of you found my videos through search. I want search to be a little bit higher. So that was last year. This year, search was 16%. With suggested and browse being 50-50, so 35% each. Okay, let's talk about affiliate revenue. So Amazon this year, I really tried to link to more stuff on Amazon. So we made $947 this year through from $19,751 in Amazon sales. So 8.77% of people that clicked on Amazon links made a purchase, and that led to just under $1,000 in extra revenue. Again, that's taxable. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. So out of 9,600 clicks, 849 people ordered, and 785 of you didn't return it, which is kind of funny. So the biggest revenue maker this year was actually the sorry, coughing here. The tool set, the Wera tool set. So 4 of you have bought that so far. That's a recent addition to the channel. I've been using it a lot. It's not a sponsored post. I just really like it a lot. Oh, we're running out of time here, so I'll be quick. A lot of people bought the USB charger for the BMW and all kinds of cool stuff. So thank you. All this stuff is helpful. So I mean, I just bought a new GoPro Hero 7, a gimbal, more SD cards, more chargers, more Anker power packs, a new microphone. So like, I'm not kidding when I say that everything this channel makes is still going into the channel. That may change next year, but who knows? I'm just having a blast. So 5,149 people. Who to thank? I mean, you know, a couple of you have just been really great offline, helping me with you know, editing, music. Sorry. You know, Matt's been really helpful behind the scenes. I've got a few people that just PM me or IM me or message me with just various tips. So I really appreciate that, guys. Next year, you know, the channel is going to have a lot of just this more of the same. You know, no trips planned yet. The Beta will get new suspension. The BMW will get built out. The new K75 RT I just bought will be refurbed and made new again. The Ford Escape will probably die on the road and I'll need to fix it. And the Golf R is pretty good, actually. I don't think the Golf R will receive any upgrades this year. I'm still in New Hampshire, not going anywhere. I'm having a blast. I wanted to thank you all so much. I wish you have a Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, and Hanukkah as well. Well, Hanukkah's already over by the time you're seeing this. So yeah, I'm stoked. So thank you all so much. You know, the only thing I'll close off with is that I block a lot of people on this channel from commenting. If you were blocked, it was for a good reason. So sorry, but it's my channel, my rules. So if you're being an asshole, I'm going to remove you from the comments field. That's all. But to the rest of you, thank you. And Merry Christmas. You guys are loaded up? Where are you headed? Where are you headed? Oh, nice. You're going south then. You're going south then. Leaving this cold weather behind.